So we just wrapped up our live session and we were trading some stocks in top markets that are growing fast, but it's really important to manage risk. So I'm going to walk through how we're able to lock in profits this morning in our live session. So first things first, we were trading on Supermicro Computer. We ended up trading there and then it hit the loss. So we ended up selling out after just about 1% sell down on Supermicro Computer. Now it's possible that it will still bounce. We bought a little bit early above that support level. But even looking at Prophecy AI and some of the projections this morning, it wasn't looking that hot. Prophecy AI is a platform that I use that we've designed with my 12 plus years worth of investing that essentially looks at the projections and does all the analysis for you. Now you can do it on your own. I do the analysis on my own, but you could see it was even skewed into this next day, pretty bearish from most of the AI models. They were all telling us it's a little bit bearish. Grok was a little bit bullish on the next day, about 2.8%, but for the most part, they were anticipating more of a sell down. And we have this widget here, the AI analysis widget, where it just basically tells us where the nearest support levels are and where the nearest resistance levels are. So I could see this morning, with this downward projection into the next day, that $30 price point was a support level. Now, when we were getting in this morning, we were in here around not the $30 price point because it was on the 2X, but if you were to go to SMCI, it's going to be the same kind of view. The $30 support level was much further down from where we entered. So we entered in, right here around 31. We needed to wait a little bit more for that support. And then you could see some of the projections into the next few weeks and months look much more bullish, and we were just a little bit early. So nevertheless, we managed risk. We could still get back into it. We could actually still play this into next week. So we'll be watching it closely. So that's one of the top data center companies that is building the largest supercomputer in the world. The xAI Colossus is what it's called. So if you were to take a look at what that looks like, here's how it looks. Supermicro Computer, SMCI. Let me see if I can pull up the data center. There it is. So data center block building solutions. They have liquid cooling. They have the racking systems, and they crushed their earnings recently. And they're building this data center. So you could tell they're actually working with xAI, and their financials have looked really good. So nevertheless, we were trading them. We're still out of it. The second trade, so how is our portfolio up 5.8% today? You hear that, you're saying, Will lost money, okay? Well, we actually made money this morning, big time. We made about $3,000 just into the second half of this week with a few trades. The first trade that did pretty well was going to be TSSI, and we sold out of it this morning after it spiked. Look at that. We sold this morning. I can actually see my orders. Let me see if I can pull it up here. So you can see how we were trading this morning. It's not really letting me, let me see if I can get this to pull up. It's not really letting me to pull up my orders very easily. It's not the best. See if this works better. Yeah, it's still not letting me. Really strange. Okay, but yeah, we bought on Supermicro Computer and sold, but let's see, TSSI. We bought yesterday, that was a buy, you could see that, at 586 shares. We bought at $11.59. And then this morning, we sold at, it's going to go up, there we go, $12.79. So we bought $11.59, we sold at $12.79. So we bought yesterday right at this support level. You can see where the entry was, $11.59. And then we sold this morning at $12.59. Was that right? $12.79. So we sold out this morning right here. So at market open, before that dip, or it was a spike at market open, you could see this here. We got out right here because I was telling you guys the biggest time to invest is going to be in the morning for those short-term trades at least. And that's where we were watching it right at market open, 6:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. If you guys ever want to tune in, second link below for Stockmate to tune on in at our live sessions. But you can take a look here. $12.79, you got $13 a share, started to sell off, we sold out, and look at that, it sold down all the way back down to our entry. So we got to lock in 12%, 13% gain for, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it was a $1,500 profit, or yeah, $1,500 profit, I think, on a $6,000 investment, $7,000, $6,000 investment right there. And then number two, the second trade that we actually made this morning was over on a stock called IREX, which we sold out of as well, I think. Yeah, we did. And we traded them. Let me see if I could get this tiny little view on IREX. Is this our buy order? Let me see. Nope, never executed. I can't find our, well, I could see our buy order. It was right here at 24.30. And then we sold this morning at, it's going to show me the order submitted price 29. So we bought at 24.30. We sold this morning at 29.01. So right here, 29.01. So market open hits. It was right here this morning at market open. You can see that here. We saw pre-markets. This is 1 a.m., 1:50 a.m. And we actually bought down here. Okay. And so we were seeing this move. At 1:50 a.m., things were surging. Market open happens right here, 6:30 a.m. And then we saw it sell down here, 29. We set a stop. And I was actually saying a stop because I thought this trend was going to continue. So I could have sold at 30. I set a stop a little bit too tight at 29.01 here. But it not only kind of sold down, it actually sold down further to 28. And then it continued up all the way to 30. Nevertheless, we were able to make that trade. It was a 24% trade, once again on a $6,000 investment. So we ended up making, I think it was, we locked it in this morning for right around $1,100 or $1,200 profit. So, you get to see them live. We're there every day at market open. And then also some of the investors that I work with that are long-term, that are also dialing in and learning how to do some of the shorter term trading. We also have some things going on that are really exciting that I'm going to be sharing with you guys more about. We only have like limited spots available where I'm working with people one-on-one because it's my calendar. But I thought I would just mention that if you guys ever want to tune on in and learn this stuff. The reason I'm sharing with you guys how this worked is because ultimately the strategy is replicable. It is repeatable. And the reason that the markets are selling off today, we see a lot of pressure towards the after hours, see a lot of red into after hours, and that things started off green is because in the volatility that we're seeing in this market, it's no doubt that these companies are going to be amazing over the next 5-10 years. Things look really good. You got the data center markets building and supporting all of the AI companies. And we were using Prophecy AI, for example. It's literally doing better than most hedge funds. If I just search up, it's got to have a lot of data, but let's just say Claude Code returns for example, trading. Okay, let's see what people are saying, because we are seeing a very high accuracy rate. There's videos, people saying, holy crap, this is doing so well. Not a lot of people covering, I guess, but there is some coverage that you might see where the returns are very impressive, very, very impressive. And what we're doing is we're actually building those in, and we started using them. So the strategy that we approach with is we give it all of the specific analysis facts, the financials, the news, the insider trading, the Congress trading, the SEC filings, the dark pools, which is where institutions transact with each other, but that's not public information until much later. But if you're able to, you can actually get access to see the dark pools, which we actually have as a widget. I believe we just recently added that. You can see dark pool activity is where you can actually see pulling up the stock and getting the analysis. Once again, my mouse is acting kind of weird. Like I can't stretch this one out either, like I was trying to do earlier. So I'm like looking through a small view. But you can see like institutional transactions, all that stuff. It goes into the AI models with the real-time data, so you know that you're using something that's real time. And so as you start to see the growth and a lot of the companies doing really well, there's going to be times where, even with like Supermicro Computer, where you have these downtrends, you have these sell downs, things are mixed. Certain companies are taking more time to grow. And while we could look at the markets and say these are great markets that are billion, trillion-dollar markets, and they're making people into millionaires, they're investing in them, and they're going up 5, 10x, 20x because of the tremendous golden age that we're in technology and other industries as well. I mean, it's not just technology, but it's almost every industry. But the short term like volatility is so real that you can easily lose money by not being on top of it. And so having like, let's say you're in the right markets, the right stocks, but you're just not having the right risk management, you're not getting good entries and exits, then you could end up kind of whittling away at your portfolio and not really making much. So that's why it's so important. I'm going to leave a video here for you guys. If you haven't watched it already, it's on stop loss and risk management. Go take a look here. That will help you with the short-term volatility in some of the top markets when you're investing in them, because they might be great in 5 years. Again, really good markets, but they're gonna have a lot of volatility. And in order to profit still consistently through the ups and downs, this will help you a ton. So go have a look at that video. Full breakdown. It's kind of like a whiteboard video. And hopefully you guys enjoy. If I earned your thumbs up, hit the like button. If you want to tune on in live to our daily sessions, it's going to be the second link below. And if you want to get Prophecy AI and the daily sessions included in one, you can go to the first link in the description below. Do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.